Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add videos in Shopify. So you can add videos to Shopify in several ways depending on where you want them to appear. So actually guys, let's talk about adding a video to the homepage. Okay, so all you need to do is to go to the Shopify admin just right here, and then just go with the online store on the left hand menu under the sales channels. So now you will need to go with the themes. So you can choose a theme from here or just edit the existing one. So here on your templates or the homepage extra, you can just go with add section right here, and then just stay on the sections tab and go with the video, right? So that's one. Click it. And now you will need to go with the right hand menu here and then just go with select. Okay, so now just go ahead with upload video from here and just select from your computer files a video and select it here and then just go with done. Even you can just go with an external URL, so you can just pass a link right here from a YouTube video, for example, or Vimeo link, or upload the Shopify hosted video if supported, as I told you. And once finished, it will appear right here on your website. So actually guys, the steps are very simple. So all you need to do is to go with add a section here and then just go type video, select it and pass URL with external URL. If you want to go with uploaded, just go with uploaded right here and select and then just upload the video to your website. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.